Hello, my name is Nyapem Jos Patricia. I am an ITT University student of level 1 group 5. I'm here to talk about sensitization via web media and HIV management in Cameroonian society. My main focus is to help to reduce the spread out of HIV in our country through my website. I'm dedicating my work to every individual in need of information and solution. I'm going to help to reduce the spread of the disease through my main objectives, which are give out some steps to prevent it, to support the medical personnel on how to on making diagnosis, predicting the spread of the disease, proposing ideas on the non-spreading of the disease. Also, also by giving out some steps on how to follow in order to avoid the prevention of the disease. As you can see, these are some of my this is some of my notes that have been written since. My main research question is the effect is that the and is HIV effective through the use of web media and management in Cameroonian society. I've collected some tasks that has helped me in my research problem and questions in order for me to create a website in order to be oriented on what to do, how to do, and how to prevent it. And my specific objective in this site is that I have to help people to acquire more knowledge about HIV, give some measure on how to prevent it, support the medical personnel on making the diagnosis on making the spreading of the disease, creating a mobile app to control and manage the spread of the disease in Cameroon. And my conclusion here is that through my website, people are going to be aware on how to prevent it, on how to solve HIV, and how to eliminate it. Because by the time you have an Android phone, and my website will make sure that each information gathered or gotten shall be sent to you for you to answer and make sure that you have understood it. I have made my site easier for each and everyone to understand it, even though you don't know how to use my site. And my main conclusion is that web media and IT solution in combination with appropriate research methodology can play a vital role in the impact of the HIV society. And my IT solution is that the major public health issue in Cameroon and sensitization through web media and effective management can play a crucial role in reducing its impact on the society. This website will play a role in tracking and analyzing data on the spread and impact of HIV in real time, enabling health workers to respond quickly to outbreak and implement target interventions. These are some image of my website, how my websites look like. Thank you for listening to me.